Vomiting in dogs can be caused by a variety of factors, such as eating something toxic, or eating too much, and due to gastrointestinal infection. Follow all these home remedies for giving relief to your dog. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe an upset stomach. You can give your dog small amount of fresh ginger directly. Take water in bowl and add small amount of ginger into it. After boiling, give it to your dog 2 to 3 times in a day. It will surely helpful in vomiting. Keep your dog hydrated. It is really important if they are experiencing vomiting and diarrhea. Because with diarrhea, they may become dehydrated very quickly, and it may become the reason of organ failure, or even death of your pup. Give your dog ice chips every 2 to 3 hours. Basil is a spice and it has ability to fight with bacteria because it contains healing oil. Mix a few fresh leaves with your dog's wet food and he will immediately feel the results. Yellow calendula flowers are non-toxic and are famous for their antiseptic properties. For this reason, you can use them for soothing your dog's stomach pain. Make a calendula tea and give it to your pup, and it will help to stop vomiting. Give a bland diet of rice and boiled chicken to your dog. Cook plain white rice and boil boneless chicken. Mix them together and feed small amounts to your dog several times a day. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of carbonation, and it can give relief to upset stomach. Make sure that the apple cider vinegar is fresh. Add 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar with 2 teaspoons of water. Mix them well so that your dog will be able to drink it easily. Your dog will get relief from vomiting. Use Purina Fortiflora probiotics for your dog. It contains a probiotic to promote normal intestinal microflora. It also helps to reduce flatulence. These supplements are suitable for puppies and adult dogs with diarrhea. It also enhances the stability of your dog during sickness. These probiotics are highly recommended by veterinarians for your sick pets. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties. It is used in medicine for relaxation and improving sleep. If your dog's stomach problems are stress-related, then make chamomile tea or flowers and mix it with his food. Your dog will feel better. Fasting for a period of time can give a break to digestive system of your dog. It helps to reduce symptoms of an upset stomach. Give water but not food for 12 to 24 hours. These home remedies can help your dog to feel better. But if these not work and your dog is not well, then go to veterinary for proper course of treatment.